In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine text and image in Canva. Whether you're looking to create a standout visual for social media, a unique poster, or just want to try something creative, this simple tutorial will have you merging images and text like a pro in just a few minutes. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows you to create a wide array of designs using pre-made templates or from scratch. Once you're logged in, it's time to craft a new design. You can opt for any size that suits your project, but for this example, let's go with a standard size like an Instagram post or a flyer. Something square or rectangular should work well. Now, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top of this section, type in letter frames. What we're looking for are those letter-shaped frames that let you fill them with images. Once you've found them, it's time for the creative part. Drag each letter frame onto your canvas to spell the word or phrase you have in mind. Consider how the length of the word or the number of letters will fit on your canvas, and make sure it looks balanced to your eye. Here's where it really starts to get personal and fun. Take the images you want to showcase and drop them right into each letter frame. You'll see them snap inside, creating a filled look within each shape. You may need to adjust the images so they fit within the letters perfectly. Double-click on any letter frame to access the photo positioning. You can shift the image around until it's perfectly aligned with the letter's contours. Once your images are all in place and looking good, you'll want to make sure they stay that way. Click and drag to select all the letter frames on the canvas and group them together. This ensures that if you need to move or resize your word as you continue designing, all the images maintain their alignment and spacing. Finally, let's talk about wrapping up your project. After you're satisfied with how everything looks and you've made any necessary tweaks, head over to the top right corner and click on Share. From here, you can download your project. Choose a format like PNG or JPG, depending on your needs. PNG is great for quality, while JPG might be useful if you want a smaller file size. And there you have it. You've successfully combined text and images in Canva, creating a visually dynamic design in just a few simple steps. Thanks for following along, and feel free to rewatch any sections if you want to revisit a specific point. Have fun designing, and until next time, happy creating.